Experience the indulgence within the contemporary interiors that complement your elegant pieces to accentuate a genuine sense of serenity and contentment. Reflecting a unique and exclusive lifestyle indoors or even outdoors. The Paramount Twin Tower's design aims at securing facilities and amenities that cater for the needs of all family members and all lifestyles, where everyone can spend the best times from the comfort of home. For those who seek the best shape, and the others who love to socialize in person. And the little precious ones who do not hide, but always seek. And the picky ones who will not compromise the pursuit of fine living. The peace of mind offered by the security around the clock gives you the capacity to focus on living and sharing unforgettable moments with your loved ones. The convenience provided by the multiple outlets and cafes in Paramount Twin Towers complement the luxurious experience of living in a fully serviced residential oasis. Cladding the unbeatable view of the Atlantic, the terrace and the jacuzzi spots highlight the perfect end to a day full of achievements and family time. Excellence is an idea significantly resembled in the new coastal gem, which offers invincible opportunities of fine living and investment. Paramount Twin Towers by Grenadines. Live the excellence.